So you want to create a Twitter handle or a Twitter account. That is super easy. What you need to do is go to twitter.com or just go to Google and type Twitter in, and it'll be the first thing that comes up. Signing up for an account is pretty simple. All you need is an email address. You can use your school email, or you can use a personal, or any other email that you got. So if you get to Twitter, you'll see a page that looks like this. Up here where it says sign up, that's what you're going to want to do to create your account. So go ahead and get this out of here. I'm going to use your name. You can use your name. You could also use like a name for your class. So you want to say Howard 5th grade. You can do that. That's fine. You just need an email that isn't used for Twitter already. So if you're like, you already got one with your personal and you want to create one for school, just use your school email. It's easy to get emails. You can get thousands of them. You can get as many Gmail accounts as you want personal. All right, so here is my email is in, and then you just need to create a password. And this link here, I mean, you can click or not click. It just means that Twitter's going to kind of watch what you're looking for on the internet, and it's going to send you some people to follow, and it's going to send you moments and stuff based on what it thinks you're interested in. Whatever, it's up to you. After you do all that stuff, click sign up. So now it will ask you to put your phone number in. If like you lose your account information, they can send you a text that says, you can just skip it if you want. Now you need to create a Twitter handle. It'll give you suggestions based on the name that you put in. So I'll just say Howard 5th. That sounds good. And these are available. If you try to put in a Twitter handle in here that isn't available, it'll say this username is already taken. But it will give you some options for that. But I'm just going to go with Howard 5th. That's for Howard 5th grade. And since that's available, I'm going to go ahead and click next. And here I am, and Twitter's like pumped that I'm here. So that's really exciting for us. This is just going to like kind of tell you all the fun things you can do on Twitter. You can just go ahead and get started by clicking let's go. It's going to want you to kind of run through some stuff and ask you what you're interested in. You can totally do this. You can search for things you like. If you're like really into water polo, you could look for water polo accounts. Okay, so yeah. But let's say you want to do education and snakes. You don't have to do this, but if you want. So continue. It's going to suggest some stuff for you. If you want to use your Gmail and for it to find your followers based on people that already have emails in your contacts, you can. I think it's kind of creepy. I don't really like to do that. So I just click no thanks, but you can if you want. That's a way to just kind of build in some followers. So now based on what I said I liked before, it's given me some ideas. You can click through these and follow them if you want or not. It's, again, up to you. Some people just like to start fresh, and that's what I'm going to do. I don't want to do any of this. Notifications. So this is just a way that your computer can yell at you every time somebody tweets at you or mentions you or something. I don't like that. I'm going to turn that off. Not now. All right, so Twitter is getting my place all set up here. Very good. A couple of things you'll want to do from the beginning is everybody, I'll get to profile in a second. You really need to change and add a picture. Click on add an avatar and then find a picture. It can be of you, it can be of something, but just get rid of the egg. The egg is awful, and we don't want people to be using that. I don't know if I have any handy pictures of myself that I can use here, so I'll just use the hornet. Oh yeah, that's good. So yeah, I'm not just going to leave some account hanging around that doesn't have a picture. You know, you got to have your picture, and you got to make it look real good. It's kind of hanging here for a second, so let's see if this picture will work. And another thing I'll just mention is whenever you're setting up your account, just we'll get to profile and stuff in a second, but this is just that's the basics of getting your account set up. how to create a handle, all the stuff you got to do, and just the difference between your name and your handle and stuff. All right, way to go. Now you're on Twitter.